today we're going to make our LTO, buffalo chicken meatballs and mac and cheese. This is recipe number M67174. Ingredients: chicken meatball. Please reference your recipe for how many meatballs you need. Okay, we're going to set this up in the oven, 350 degrees, 8 to 10 minutes. This is recipe number M53289, macaroni and cheese. The ingredients you need for the pasta is water and macaroni noodles. For the crumb mixture, you need breadcrumb, Parmesan cheese, paprika. For the sauce, you'll need cheese sauce ultimate, water, cheddar cheese shredded, and for the base, you'll need black pepper and mustard. While the meatballs are cooking, we're going to cook our macaroni noodles for about 30 minutes or until it's al dente. Which is breadcrumb, Parmesan cheese, and paprika. I'm just going to give it a little toss. Now for the cheese sauce. We took the shredded cheese and the melted cheese with water and melted it together, and it's ready to go. Next, we're going to take our already made macaroni noodle, put that in a pan. And we're going to take our cheese sauce. We're going to toss our noodles. Alright, once the cheese sauce is mixed in, we're going to go ahead and put the mustard, the dry mustard, and then we're going to do the black pepper. And then we're going to give it a nice toss. Alright, before we put it in the oven, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the topping on top. Now we're going to wrap it in tin foil. Now we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. This is recipe number A616, the LTO for buffalo chicken meatball, mac and cheese. The ingredients you'll need is the recipe for the meatball, the recipe for the mac and cheese. You're going to top it with green onion instead of blue cheese crumble. And on the side you will serve it with baby carrots, celery sticks, and ranch dressing. Once the meatballs are out of the oven, we're going to place them in a bowl and then we're going to toss them in the buffalo sauce. Alright, we're going to take our 6-ounce meatballs. We're going to garnish it with green onions, two celery sticks, some carrots, and ranch.